What's the meaning of backbiting? Backbiting. Backbiting.
Backbiting. Backbiting. Backbiting refers to the act of speaking negatively or maliciously about someone behind their back. It is a form of gossip or slander that can damage relationships and reputations, and it is generally considered to be a negative behavior. The term can apply to any situation in which someone speaks ill of another person without their knowledge, whether in private conversations or in public forums. Backbiting can lead to mistrust, animosity, and conflict, as well as feelings of insecurity and paranoia among those who are targeted. To avoid backbiting, it is important to be honest and transparent in our communication with others, and to refrain from speaking negatively about them when they are not present.